remember, after the incident, many on social media had started justifying the action against Kangana Ranaut. Now, Kangana Ranaut has responded to that, responded to those who were cheering the Slapgate and saying that those toasting the slap have criminal tendencies. She has expressed the outrage on social media, saying, look at your psychological criminal tendencies. So the BJP MP lashing out at those who are justifying the attack. Remember, there were several people who took to social media to justify this attack on Kangana Ranaut, going on to say that she is somebody who has made statements against the farmers. There was anger against her. This is the kind of justification that was given by many on social media, after which Kangana Ranaut has now responded to it. My colleague Meenakshi is joining us with her response.
So we have Kangana Ranaut's response on the screen. This is Kangana's response, which has come after internet and social media seemed divided over that particular incident where Kangana was slapped, where unfortunately some people had even justified and celebrated it. Now Kangana Ranaut has basically hit out at all of those who have been cheering the Slapgate, she says, and I'll take some operative parts from this long tweet which Kangana has put out. So basically what she says is that if you are okay with breaking into someone's intimate zone without their permission, touching their bodies and assaulting them, then deep down you are okay with rape, murder. Also, because that's also just penetration or stab, and what's the big deal? You should look deeper into your psychological criminal tendencies. I suggest take up yoga, meditation, etc. Otherwise life will become a bitter experience. So of course, by the long-winded tweet, Kangana Ranaut really hitting out, taking an indirect jibe at those who are applauding or rather justifying that slap incident. Obviously there is a lot of outrage on social media. Many are denouncing it, but there have been some who have justified the incident in Kangana, now taking a jibe at those. Earlier, of course, we had spoken about how Shabana Azmi had also said that while she may not agree with Kangana Ranaut's opinions and she may have her differences, but violence cannot be justified. And Kangana literally underlying the same point and questioning those who are justifying and trying to really find a reason behind that Slapgate incident.
So saying look deeper into your psychological criminal tendencies. That's a response coming in from Kangana Ranaut. Amandeep is also joining us on the broadcast. Amandeep, any justification of what happened to Kangana Ranaut is unacceptable, and Kangana Ranaut has now responded to that, because many on social media, unfortunately, some celebrities as well, who had come out to support the CISF constable, going on to even offer jobs to her.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. And this is the first response of Kangana Ranaut against those who were backing and who were uploading the offensive act, in fact, of CISF constable. And even the politicians as well, including Harsimrat Kaur Badal, the way she was reacted on this entire incident and tried to pitch the politics into that. So Kangana has made it very clear that it is, if the people are supporting this, that means their mentality is to support the rapes and assaults and other offensive activities against the woman as well. So this is the first response of Kangana. But beyond that, Pratibha, the fact is that this was a breach of security. A security personnel has slapped a passenger, a VVIP passenger, an elected MP on duty when she was in uniform, when she's supposed to provide the security to the passengers, and she slapped her, and in fact in front of the entire security personnel. So that is the fact. We cannot deny the fact beyond this war of words. The statements she was referring to, and the statements the social media is highlighting those who are actually providing the back to the to Kulvinder.
Absolutely, and the CISF personnel, the security personnel, need to keep aside their political affiliations. It could set a very, very dangerous precedent, which is why there was outrage over what happened.